Hello and welcome to the first part of a three-part series with helpful tips on how to have a successful, crucial conversation. Are you avoiding or delaying conversations with an employee because of the potential outcome or misinterpretation by the staff member? How many conversations have you had or need to have with a member of your staff that leave you frustrated? Are you left asking yourself, what don't they understand, or why can't they get this done? As your frustration increases, you might fall into the trap of completing the task yourself, avoiding or delaying an additional meeting, hoping the problem will resolve on its own if you wait long enough, or giving the employee an ultimatum. Do you want to transform your frustrating conversations into impactful, productive conversations? Well, keep listening. You became a business owner to run your business the way you want, and you expect your employee to fall right in line with clinic values and expectations. These should be communicated from the beginning of the hire. As clinicians, we have similar expectations when treating our patients. Let's look at this scenario. We assign the patient an exercise program and expect them to follow instructions and recommendations, but we might get pushback or lack of buy-in, and even non-compliance. In order to help them understand what they need to do, what do? You try to understand why they can't, won't, or don't understand your instructions. This can lead to difficult conversations with the patient. This can lead to frustration on both sides. We know we need to have results and outcomes, and the patient also wants to improve. Well, preparing to have a difficult conversation with an employee can follow the same type of path. Once again, a certain level of stress and frustration, you find yourself saying, I don't have time for this. I'm afraid of the outcome. The staff member might just quit, and then I have a lot more work to do. And I've had this conversation before, and they are okay for a few weeks, but then they revert back to the way they were. You know you need to have conversations that get the outcome that you desire. Here is how you prepare. First, you will need to ask and answer the following questions that really explore what has happened in the past with your conversations. Number one, when are the conversations occurring? First thing in the morning? At the end of the day? Between patient treatments? Number two, where are you when you're having the conversation? Are you behind a closed door? In the gym? Around others? Number three, what is your communication style? Are you telling, dictating, using accusatory terms such as you did this or that? Are you talking more than listening? Number four, what is your body language during your conversations? In other words, are you sitting behind a desk, standing with your arms crossed? Are you making good eye contact? Number five, what is the content of the message? In other words, ask yourself, do they understand what is expected of them and what I'm asking them to do? Are my instructions clear, concise, and meaningful to the employee? Number six, how do the staff members respond to these difficult conversations in the past? What do you say and how did they act afterwards? What did they say to others? What did they say later on? It really does help to jot down answers to these observations and experiences involving your conversations before you can start having a conversation that is productive with your employee. Once you've completed part one, then join me for part two, having a successful, crucial conversation, tips to a successful outcome. Think about these steps. Getting to the next level of success depends on the quality of the culture, which depends on the quality of your relationships, which depends on the quality of your conversations. To find out more how I can help you and your team move to the next level of success, click on the link below. Thanks for watching and see you soon for part two.